Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Autods for Shopify Dropshipping. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do here is we first need to create an account for Autods, which in this case, just go to Autods and click on the sign in button or create account option. Now in this case, I already have my account here. Let's go ahead and find out how to use it. So first things first is we need to connect our account. So at the top left, go ahead and click on Add Store here. Click on Add Store at the very bottom of that pop-up. Now from here, we have three options, but we'll be using I have a Shopify store here and connect it to Autods and hit on Continue. Now from here, it should open up the Shopify App Store here. Let's go ahead and click on Install. And from here, it should open up your Shopify store, which in this case, you just need to confirm that you want to download it. In this case, let's go ahead and click on Install here. And it should actually install the app, and you should now be able to see the marketplace for Autods. Now, typically, for you to actually use it, you need to pay for a plan here. So in this case, this will actually charge you on the next billing plan. So in this case, you need to click on Approve here if you want to continue using it. But in this case, once you approve that, you should be able to connect your account, and you should now be able to start using your account. As you can see, when we go back to Autods here, our account is now connected. Now in this case, first things first, let's go to Marketplace, and we want to search for products that we want to actually drop ship. So for example, we have this one. Let's go ahead and click on it to view all the information about it. And from here, you can go ahead and view all the details required here if you want to change the color, the item cost. But once you're done, you can go and click on Import Draft. Now in this case, once you import that, go ahead and click on the View in Draft section, and it should open up your drafts. In this case, you could go ahead and click the item or the sections that you want to actually edit. So in this case, you could go ahead and edit, select all the products here and just click on Bulk Edit here, or even remove from list, import all, or bulk AI review here if you want to. So in this case, since we only want to import this one, let's go and click on Import next to that product. In this case, it's going to say started to import. Now in this case, you could go to your products here, and from here, when we actually go back to our products here, you should now be able to see the current product that we just recently imported. As you can see, it is now available, and the total it is right now. In this case, it will also show you the current store, the item ID, and a lot more, and you should be able to basically see it. If you want to view details about it, you can go and click on View Details here, and you should be able to see all the products if it actually failed or succeeded. Now, in this case, that's how you actually add products. But in some cases, if you want to basically first edit a product, so for example, I want to choose this one, and I want to actually choose the import draft here. Let's go to our products or drafts here. And in this case, you could go ahead and click on the actual product here and change a few things like title, collection, tags, and a lot more. But once you've added or updated all the information here, images, item specification, go ahead and click on the Save Import here, and you should be able to actually import that product into your store. Now, if you have multiple stores here, you also have the option to choose which store you want to import this. But again, if you visit your Shopify page, let's just open up my Shopify page here. And we should be able to basically view it. So let's just go to shopify.com, click on log in. To confirm my account here, let's go ahead and choose our account and open it up. Again, when we go to products here, you should now be able to see the product itself. Now in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.